Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I have a Costco find. This was $9.99. It's Botanical Stoneware bowls and it's 10 pieces. They're microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Now it's time to unbox. Okay guys, these are really pretty. I thought they were going to have like 2 of each color, but they're all different colors. I have a dark orange, a peach, a dark green, a dark blue, gray, yellow, a teal color, a light green, a light blue, and a light orange. They're really pretty. Look at the flowers on the inside. They have some weight to them too. So this was definitely worth the $9.99. Look how nice they look when you put fruit inside of them. This is definitely pretty for the spring and for summer. You can also use them to put ice cream, whatever you would like in them. Costco has some really nice items in there, and their prices are really reasonable. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Thank you for following.